TEAS 7 test questions. Question 1. After Silver Group 40 reads a passage about reading charts during the exam prep review, which sentence states the main idea? Option A. Units should be ignored. Option B. Trends cannot be shown visually. Option C. Chart details help readers interpret data accurately. Option D. Charts are less useful than paragraphs. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because it includes the key idea about labels, units, and trends. Units should be ignored is wrong because the passage specifically says units matter, and trends cannot be shown visually is wrong because the passage says readers use trends. Charts are less useful than paragraphs is wrong because the passage explains how charts can be useful. Question 2. When Silver Group 40 sees details that a passage says a patient has dry lips, dark urine, and dizziness when standing, which inference is most reasonable? Option A. The patient has perfect hydration. Option B. The patient has improved vision. Option C. The patient needs more noise. Option D. The patient may be dehydrated. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because dry lips, dark urine, and dizziness are consistent with low fluid balance. The patient has perfect hydration is wrong because the symptoms point away from good hydration, and the patient has improved vision is wrong because vision is not discussed. The patient needs more noise is wrong because noise has no connection to the symptoms given. Question 3. During Silver Group 40's exam prep review, a passage lists 3 benefits of early registration and urges readers to sign up before Friday. Which author purpose fits best? Option A. To persuade readers to register early. Option B. To entertain readers with a story. Option C. To compare 2 unrelated schools. Option D. To define every testing rule. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because the benefits and deadline are meant to move readers toward action. To entertain readers with a story is wrong because there is no plot or characters for entertainment, and to compare 2 unrelated schools is wrong because no comparison of schools is given. To define every testing rule is wrong because the prompt mentions benefits and a deadline, not all rules. Question 4. While Silver Group 40 outlines a passage that starts with low scores, explains causes, and then recommends a weekly plan, which structure is being used? Option A. Cause only. Option B. Problem and solution. Option C. Definition. Option D. Chronological order. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because a problem is introduced and a proposed fix follows. Cause only is wrong because the passage also gives a solution, and definition is wrong because the passage does not simply define one term. Chronological order is wrong because events are not mainly arranged by time. Question 5. Before Silver Group 40 accepts the claim that balanced review should include all 4 subject areas, which detail gives the strongest support? Option A. Math uses numbers. Option B. A student who skipped science lost more points there despite strong math practice. Option C. The cafeteria closes early. Option D. Science books are often heavy. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because the example shows that leaving out a subject can hurt performance. Math uses numbers is wrong because that fact does not show all subjects need review, and the cafeteria closes early is wrong because cafeteria hours do not support the claim. Science books are often heavy is wrong because book weight is unrelated to balanced review. Question 6. Since Silver Group 40 sees the word consistent in her scores became consistent after she used the same review routine, which meaning fits the context? Option A. Extremely silent. Option B. Steady or reliable. Option C. Rarely seen. Option D. Completely random. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because consistent describes results that do not vary wildly. Extremely silent is wrong because sound level is unrelated, and rarely seen is wrong because the sentence is about pattern, not visibility. Completely random is wrong because random is the opposite of steady. Question 7. Given Silver Group 40 answers 11 out of 25 practice items correctly, which percent matches the result? Option A, 30.56%. Option B 22.73%. Option C 56%. Option D of 44%. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because 11 divided by 25 equals 0.44, and multiplying by 100 gives 44%. 30.56% is wrong because it compares the part to the total plus the part or uses an incomplete setup, and 22.73% is wrong because it uses the wrong comparison instead of dividing the part by the whole. 56% is wrong because it subtracts before converting rather than converting the given fraction. Question 8. If Silver Group 40's score rises from 80 to 92, what percent increase should be recorded? Option A, 12%. Option B, 13%. Option C, 115%. Option D, 15%. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because the increase is 12, and 12 divided by the original score 80 equals 15%. 12% is wrong because it reports the raw point gain rather than dividing by the original value, and 13% is wrong because it divides by the new value instead of the original value. 115% is wrong because it gives the new score as a percent of the old score, not the percent increase. Question 9. Suppose Silver Group 40 solves 5x plus 12 equals 32. Which value of x makes the equation true? Option A, 20. Option B, 3. Option C, 5. Option D of 4. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because subtracting 12 leaves 5x equals 20, and dividing by 5 gives x equals 4. 20 is wrong because it treats the constant or coefficient as if it were the final answer, and 3 is wrong because it reverses or skips part of the inverse operation. 5 is wrong because it is one step away from the value that balances both sides. Question 10. Using Silver Group 40's rectangle diagram with 12 cm long and 3 cm wide, which area should be recorded? Option A, 30 cm. Option B, 9 square cm. Option C, 36 square cm. Option D, 15 square cm. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because area is length times width, so 12 times 3 equals 36. 30 centimeters is wrong because that is the perimeter, not the area, and 9 square cm is wrong because it subtracts dimensions, which does not measure area. 15 square cm is wrong because it adds the sides rather than multiplying them. Question 11. From Silver Group 40's measurement note of 750 ml, which conversion to L is accurate? Option A, 0.75 L. Option B, 0.075 L. Option C, 7.5 L. Option D, 75 L. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because 1000 milliliters equal 1 liter, so moving the decimal 3 places gives 0.75 L. 0.075 L is wrong because the decimal is moved 1 place too far, and 7.5 L is wrong because the decimal is moved only 2 places. 75 L is wrong because the decimal is moved in the wrong scale. Question 12. In Silver Group 40's score set 90, 77, 73, 60, 87, which median should be reported? Option A, 77.4. Option B, 77. Option C, 60. Option D, 90. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because the scores are ordered as 60, 73, 77, 87, 90, and the middle value rule gives 77. 77.4 is wrong because it uses a mean-like or added value rather than the median method, and 60 is wrong because it is an extreme value or unrelated value rather than the middle after sorting. 90 is wrong because it selects another listed score instead of the central value. Question 13. For Silver Group 40, 6 review packets cost $24. At the same rate, how much do 8 packets cost? Option A, $48. Option B, $32. Option C, $32. Option D, $28. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because $24 divided by 6 gives $4 per packet, and 8 packets cost $32. $48 is wrong because it multiplies the two quantities and ignores the price, and $32 is wrong because it adds the new quantity to the old cost instead of finding the unit rate. $28 is wrong because it is 1 unit price short of the proportional cost. Question 14. Near Silver Group 40's cell energy review, which organelle matches the function being reviewed? Option A, mitochondria. Option B, nucleus. Option C, ribosomes. Option D, Golgi apparatus. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because mitochondria are the main site of ADP production during cellular respiration. Nucleus is wrong because the nucleus stores DNA and controls cell activities, and ribosomes is wrong because ribosomes build proteins rather than making most ADP. Golgi apparatus is wrong because the Golgi modifies and packages molecules. Question 15. Because silver group 40 traces circulation and blood enters the right atrium, where does it go next? Option A, aorta from the lungs. Option B, pulmonary vein from the body. Option C, vena cava from the body. Option D, trachea from the lungs. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because the superior and inferior vena cava return deoxygenated blood to the right atrium. Aorta from the lungs is wrong because the aorta carries blood away from the heart, and pulmonary vein from the body is wrong because pulmonary veins carry blood from lungs to left atrium. Trachea from the lungs is wrong because the trachea carries air, not blood. Question 16. Although silver group 40 sees alveoli drawn as tiny sacs, which feature helps oxygen enter blood quickly? Option A, a small surface area. Option B, a layer of enamel. Option C, a sealed membrane with no blood flow. Option D, a large surface area. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because many tiny sacs create more area for oxygen and carbon dioxide to diffuse. A small surface area is wrong because less area would reduce gas exchange, and a layer of enamel is wrong because enamel is tooth tissue, not lung tissue. A sealed membrane with no blood flow is wrong because blood flow is needed to carry gases. Question 17. Once silver group 40 notices that blood glucose rises and insulin is released, which process explains the response? Option A, diffusion. Option B, negative feedback. Option C, positive feedback. Option D, inflammation. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because insulin lowers blood glucose, opposing the original rise. Diffusion is wrong because diffusion is particle movement and not the regulatory loop, and positive feedback is wrong because positive feedback would intensify the rise rather than reduce it. Inflammation is wrong because inflammation is an immune response, not this glucose control loop. Question 18. Where silver group 40 studies genetics and 2 heterozygous parents have genotype BB, which offspring chance matches the expected result? Option A, 25%. Option B, 50%. Option C, 75%. Option D, 100%. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because a BB times BB cross gives BB, 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 and BB, so 1 of 4 shows the recessive phenotype. 50% is wrong because 2 of 4 offspring are carriers but only 1 shows the recessive phenotype, and 75% is wrong because 3 of 4 have the dominant phenotype, not the recessive phenotype. 100% is wrong because not every offspring receives 2 recessive alleles. Question 19. As silver group 40 reviews chemistry and a solution has more H+ ions than O ions, which conclusion follows? Option A, acidic. Option B, basic. Option C, neutral. Option D, nonpolar. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because higher hydrogen ion concentration indicates an acidic solution. Basic is wrong because basic solutions have more O relative to H+, and neutral is wrong because neutral solutions have balanced H+ and O-. Nonpolar is wrong because polarity is not the same as acid-base classification. Question 20. Under Silver Group 40's experiment testing whether light color affects algae growth, which setup is the control group? Option A, algae that are never measured. Option B, algae with different water and different light. Option C, algae placed in a warmer room only. Option D, algae kept under white light while all other conditions match. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because a baseline light condition with matching variables allows fair comparison. Algae that are never measured is wrong because growth must be measured to compare results, and algae with different water and different light is wrong because changing water and light prevents isolating the cause. Algae placed in a warmer room only is wrong because temperature becomes the tested factor instead of light color. Question 21. Between Silver Group 40's grammar options, which sentence uses subject-verb agreement correctly? Option A. The list of supplies were on the desk. Option B. The list of supplies is on the desk. Option C. The list of supplies are on the desk. Option D. The lists of supply is on the desk. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because the singular subject list agrees with the singular verb is. The list of supplies were on the desk is wrong because were does not agree with the singular subject list, and the list of supplies are on the desk is wrong because are incorrectly agrees with supplies instead of list. The lists of supply is on the desk is wrong because plural lists needs are and supply should be supplies. Question 22. Inside Silver Group 40's sentence, Maria and Elena checked blank answers twice. Which pronoun should replace the blank? Option A, her. Option B, herself. Option C, their. Option D, its. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because Maria and Elena form a plural antecedent, so there is appropriate. Her is wrong because her refers to one female person, not two people, and herself is wrong because herself is reflexive and singular. Its is wrong because its is used for a thing or organization, not two named people. Question 23. Through Silver Group 40's punctuation review, which sentence uses a semicolon correctly? Option A. The review was difficult because the students kept practicing. Option B. The review was difficult, the students kept practicing. Option C. The review was difficult, the students kept practicing. Option D. The review was difficult, the students kept practicing. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because the semicolon correctly joins two closely related independent clauses. The review was difficult because the students kept practicing is wrong because creates a dependent clause after the semicolon, and the review was difficult, the students kept practicing is wrong because the semicolon splits the subject from its verb. The review was difficult, the students kept practicing is wrong because the semicolon is placed inside the second clause incorrectly. Question 24. According to Silver Group 40's grammar check, which revision fixes the run-on sentence? Option A. The calculator worked because the answer still. Option B. The calculator worked, the answer still needed estimation. Option C. The calculator worked, the answer still needed estimation. Option D. The calculator worked, the answer still needed estimation. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because a semicolon correctly connects two related independent clauses. The calculator worked because the answer still is wrong because the second part is incomplete, and the calculator worked, the answer still needed estimation is wrong because there is no punctuation between complete thoughts. The calculator worked, the answer still needed estimation is wrong because the comma alone creates a comma splice. Question 25. Beyond Silver Group 40's vocabulary drill, which meaning does the prefix hyper add? Option A, below or low. Option B, within. Option C, above or excessive. Option D, half. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because hyper means over, above, or too much, as in hypertension. Below or low is wrong because below or low is hypo and within is wrong because within is intra Half is wrong because half is hemi